Hey guys, empty canister. Just pick up these two rugs. A lot of pet here. It's a smaller rug here and a smaller runner. So I like to pre-vacuum these first and then put them away before I clean them. I'll not be cleaning them today. I'm just going to be doing the pre-vacuuming part today. As you can see, I just finished vacuuming those two small, well, one of them is a small rug and a smaller runner. And look at that. Look at the pit here, look at the dry side. That came out of those two small runner and the smaller rug. Let me just give you the dump so you can see what exactly is inside.